Все, убирай руку, которую мышь. Ты не запишешь?
Our today's topic is
Ну,
present simple.
я хочу посмотреть, ты нужна?
Present simple is like talking about things we do all the time or things that are always true. For example, what do we do on a typical day? We wake up, brush our teeth, get dressed, go to school, study, watch TV, play, go to bed. All these actions are in present simple because they are familiar to us and are repeated almost at the same time. Please watch this video.
I want to tell you a story. Billy's uncle is 36 years old and he lives on the 20th floor of a tall building.
Modal verbs are a bit different. They are words like can, will, and should. Modal verbs help us understand possibilities, abilities, and suggestions. They work together with other verbs to make sentences. The verb to be is special too. It helps us say what something is like. For example, I am happy, or she is tall. It tells us more about the subject. So, semantic verbs show actions, modal verbs show possibilities, and the verb to be helps describe things. All these verbs are important to make sentences and talk about different ideas. The verb to be. The verb to be is a special word that helps us say what something is or how something feels. It's like a helper that tells us about people, things, or places. In the present simple, we use am, is, or are with different subjects. I am happy. She is my friend. We are at the park. Please watch this video for better understanding.
The verb to be. I am. She is. He is. It is. We are. You are. They are. Now, how about a little practice? The book, yellow. The book is yellow. She, a teacher. She is a teacher. I, very happy. I am very happy.
To make a denial, we add not after am, is, or are. For example, I am not tired. She is not sad. We are not hungry. I am. We are. You are. You are. He, she, it is. They are. Make a negative of these sentences. I am a student. I am not a student. She is my sister. She is not my sister. The cat is on the sofa. The cat is not on the sofa. We are friends. We are not friends. He is a doctor. He is not a doctor. It is a sunny day. It is not a sunny day. The book is on the table. The book is not on the table. The flowers are beautiful. The flowers are not beautiful. To ask questions, we switch the order of the subject and am, is, or are. For example, am I late? Is she coming? Are we there yet? Make questions from these sentences. I am a student. Are you a student? She is my sister. Is she my sister? The cat is on the sofa. Is the cat on the sofa? We are friends. Are we friends? He is a doctor. Is he a doctor? It is a sunny day. Is it a sunny day? The book is on the table. Is the book on the table? The flowers are beautiful. Are the flowers beautiful? Verb to be. I am. Am I? I am not. You are. Are you? You are not. He is. Is he? He is not. She is. Is she? She is not. It is. Is it? It is not. We are. Are we? We are not. You are. Are you? You are not. They are. Are they? They are not. Please watch this video.
It's commonly used to talk about names, ages, feelings, professions, and nationalities. Here are some examples of sentences using the verb to be. He is Mark. She is 13 years old. They are happy. I am a teacher. Laura is American. In each sentence, you can see that the verb to be has changed to match the subject.